huge balance of the two.
What are you looking at?
A weirdo.
Today's video is going to be very different from what I normally do. Today we are going to be making a Halloween costume, and I'm going to be Dolores from Westworld. So I have all my stuff here, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it look very cosplay-ish. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, here we go. So I wanted to get a costume on Amazon, but unfortunately the costume wasn't going to ship until November, but Halloween is in less than 5 days, so I needed to do something. So I went on Amazon Prime and found things that looked very similar to the costume, and I got those, and now I'm just going to make it look better and make it look like the actual costume. So I got this skirt. Pretty accurate if you ask me. It was only like $15. I think it was less. I'll link down everything that I got down below, so if you do want to make this costume, and I think you'll have enough time for Halloween if you watch this in time. I also got this corset that's all in white. I'm going to be coloring it with some blue markers so that way we can make it look a little bit better. And then lastly, I got underneath is this nightgown. This was the most expensive item in the bunch, just because who would know that like this nightgown would cost $30. It's too much money, way too much money. I also went to Michael's and got a couple of things to make it look better. So I got a light blue marker. This is a fabric marker, so it would make it stay longer, and some scissors because my dogs chewed my other scissors. If you don't believe me, yep, this is what happens when you have dogs. And I got this thing, and I'm gonna make a bow out of it. And I got some brown fabric paint. You can use real dirt if you want to. We're gonna make a costume together, guys. Woo. So the first thing is calm myself down because I drank way too much caffeine. We're gonna color this corset and make it bluish. Where did I put my marker? So first we're gonna open our marker. Hello. Sorry, I'm just so popular today. So we are going to pull up a photo. Why isn't it blue? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, now it's blue. So we're gonna pull up a photo. So the closest thing I can get is basically like this. And this looks nothing like this, but we're gonna try. Oh shit, I dropped something. All right, so let's hope I don't fuck this up. Okay. Oh, I don't know where to start. I'm just going to start here. Oh, this is a wrong color blue. This is way too blue. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is what it looks like. What am I doing wrong? Why does it look bad? I'm sweating. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. What is this? Guys, this is not coming out good. It fucked up. Maybe if we just do the ones that have a pattern already, that would look better. Why does this look like a little kid did this? What is this though? I don't understand what I did here. I really don't. Okay, here's the final product. It looks like shit. I messed up really bad. No. No, I'm not done. I spent like 20 minutes trying to color this in and it looks so bad.
I think it looks good.
Thanks. Now that we're done with the corset, we're gonna go on to this, which we have to put in this rope ribbon thing around this thing. I don't know what these are called because I don't know clothing. I just wear them. So the string comes in right here and you're supposed to make it into a little bow. So I am going to cut some slits right there and then probably feed the string in. Probably do it right. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. These scissors aren't working. Can't you cut this? Oh my God. So these scissors suck. Put it in here. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. There we go. Now I just gotta make sure I don't rip the entire dress. Okay, so I took like a 3-hour break. And it doesn't look exactly like the costume, but I finished this finally. And I finished this ghetto thing. I don't know what I did. And then now all I have to do is just cut up the skirt and then make it look dirty. And then I have to just get my hair done and wash it and put on some makeup, and then hopefully I look somewhat like Dolores, but I'm gonna actually finish this tomorrow just because I'm extremely tired. Hey, so it is the next day. I already did my hair and my makeup to kind of look like the actress, so I don't know if you can tell, but this isn't a hair and makeup tutorial, so this is a costume tutorial, so I'm not going to show you how to do this, okay? Instead, we're going to cut up some fabric, add some blood, and spray paint it dirty when I have a perfectly good backyard full of dirt, but you know what? We're just going to spend extra money. So, reference pic that's up close. You can't see this, but I'll put it up here for you guys. There's one that's up close. She looks like she has blood splattered right here, and then also blood on the nightgown. So we can do that. And there's also one where her dress is torn at the bottom. We're gonna tear it up a little bit and spray paint some dirt. And then lastly, there is blood on her corset. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully I don't fuck up. First we have is this guy, my beautiful nightgown, and we're going to add blood on the sleeve. So her nightgown is a little bit thicker than mine, so I don't want to tear the nightgown apart, so I'm just going to add some blood. Oh, why is this really red? Hopefully it dries. Okay, so this is really red. I don't know if you can tell, but I hope it dries to like a darker color. And I realized I did this inside out. Why is this inside out? And I also did it on the wrong side. We're just gonna do the corset, okay? She has blood on her side. I feel like that's a good idea. So we're just gonna add some of this blood and just kind of throw it all over the corset. Just throw it on there. Make it a big hole because she's bleeding a lot. Cool, so we got blood on here. And now I'm looking at another picture. I'm just kind of jumping back and forth. Okay, so we're just gonna repeat what we did and just add blood on the sleeve and then make a little cut right here. I hope this really doesn't fall apart because that would not be fun. Just ignore this side, but it should look like this. And now what we're going to do is tear up this beautiful skirt. Grab these scissors and kind of just cut it. Cut and rip the dress, I guess. I feel like that will work. Do it right here. And then rip it. And there we go. Okay, so now that we're done ripping up the bottom of the skirt, we're gonna add some fake dirt on here. Basically, what we're gonna do is find that rip spot right here. And this is gonna be the most dirty. Spray. Like that. And I think it looks dirty enough. I can't even see me. Oh my god. So after that, you're just gonna spray a little. You're just gonna spray a little bit on the nightgown, but really far away. Fuck. It's all on this boob, but you know, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Now that I ruined everything by spraying way too much on here, I think I'm just gonna spray a little bit at the bottom of this just to kind of make up for how dirty it is up on the top and how like not dirty it is at the bottom. So there we go. It looks like shit. So now that you like completely hate yourself because you fucked up on everything by spraying way too much dirt, you're just gonna try it on and see if it looks decent. And yeah. Why do you no fit? Should have ordered a medium. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh, damn it. Final touches to the costume. This is the final look. I am actually very happy with how it looks like. I added a fake pistol that I bought at a Halloween store. Some boots that I had that looked like cowboy boots. This bullet belt I got at a Halloween store. And there you have it, the final look. I'm actually really surprised with how good this looked. I took some photos for you guys. You can see them right here of me and my boyfriend recreating the Dolores and Teddy photo and some other photos, and I am so impressed by myself. This was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to be Dolores, here is a semi-cheaper way to do it than ordering a cosplay costume online. Or you could buy the really cheap ones online. I don't know, whatever you want to do. Happy Halloween, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.